Smile. Yeah, that's good. Very, very good.
Make eye contact.
Make eye contact. Wonderful. Wonderful. Absolutely great.
Build rapport.
Build rapport. Fantastic. Yes.
Connect with client.
Huh?
Connect with client.
Connect with client. You are very, very, very close.
More interactive, yeah.
Remember, a presentation has to be a conversation. A presentation, write this down. A presentation should never look like a presentation. What should a presentation not look like? It should not look like a presentation.
But I think 99% presentation is like speaker speaking and all listeners,
Just
audience
listening.
are there who just listen.
You're right.
Questions here and there.
You're right. Absolutely right. Whose fault?
Presentation.
Presenters.
Huh? Present. Give him a round of applause. Beautiful. Very well said, Ranganathanji. Presenter is at fault, not the audience. Not the audience. See, I have been doing a presentation since morning.
Right.
Yes? Any doubt about that? No? Did it look like a presentation? Or does it look like a conversation? Conversation. So audience are not responsible to ask questions. You have to make the audience to ask questions. Audience are not responsible to give answers. You are responsible to make the audience give the answer. When you are on the stage, see, if there are 100 people in a room and one is on stage, 99 are in the audience, who is more important out of those 100? Don't take it literally, but just for the sake. Who is more important? 99 or 1?
One.
One.
His important is.
Actually 99 are important. Actually 99 are important. But if you ask anybody who is the most important in this room, obviously they'll point to the presenter.
Yeah, because
That's why he is on stage, right?
only 99 are waiting with the.
99 are waiting to listen. So the person who is moving to make a presentation is the most important. But the presenter has to understand that I am not the most important. 99 are more important. Problem comes when the presenter believes I am the most important. Are you getting a sense of where I am?
Yes.
Okay, so I have to learn how to interact with you. Alright, okay. Alright.